In the modern world, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live and work. Many aspects of our daily tasks and jobs are becoming automated, and in recent years, AI has begun transforming how people earn money. This has led to the discovery of innovative side hustles that don't require constant human intervention. In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step guide on how I found a 100% automated AI side hustle that has the potential to earn up to $13,000 per month with minimal active effort. You don't need to be a tech expert or a programmer to make this work. By utilizing the right AI tools, you can earn money passively while AI handles the heavy lifting. Step 1. Understanding the potential of AI. AI is rapidly transforming the landscape of many industries, automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks that were once handled manually. The real power of AI lies in its ability to streamline processes and save time, which is why it's become such an attractive option for anyone looking to build an automated side hustle. Imagine being able to automate everything from content creation to customer service without the need for constant oversight. AI tools have become more accessible, intuitive, and capable of handling a broad range of tasks that would have once required a skilled human professional. From writing blog posts and articles to creating social media content and analyzing data, AI is a game changer in the world of online income. The best part is that automation is not limited to just one industry. Whether you're interested in content creation, digital marketing, or e-commerce, AI tools can help you set up systems that generate income on autopilot. By utilizing AI, you can work smarter, not harder, and let technology do the bulk of the work. Step 2. Identifying the right niche for your AI side hustle. One of the most crucial steps in building an automated AI side hustle is choosing a profitable niche. Your niche is the area you'll focus on, and it's essential to select one that has high demand but also one that can be easily automated with AI tools. Without a strong niche, it's easy to get lost in the noise of the internet. With AI, however, you have the ability to fine-tune your efforts and provide high-quality services or products that businesses and individuals are willing to pay for. Some of the most lucrative niches where AI tools can be fully utilized include content creation, affiliate marketing, social media management, and digital product creation. Let's dive deeper into how each of these can be automated with AI. Content creation. If you enjoy writing but don't want to spend hours crafting articles, blog posts, and social media updates, AI-powered writing assistants can do the heavy lifting for you. Tools like Jasper, WriteSonic, and ChatGPT can generate articles, product descriptions, blog posts, or even marketing copy in seconds. You can leverage these tools to write for niche blogs, marketing agencies, or e-commerce websites. The content can be monetized through affiliate marketing, AdSense revenue, or by offering writing services to clients. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. AI tools can automate content creation for affiliate marketing by generating reviews, blog posts, and even email campaigns that promote these products. With platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate, you can use AI to build content around popular products in your chosen niche. AI tools will also optimize your content for search engines, improving its visibility and helping you drive more traffic and sales. Social media management. Social media management is another area where AI can save you hours of work. Managing multiple social media platforms and creating engaging posts consistently can be a full-time job. AI tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, Lately, and SocialBee allow you to automate social media content creation and scheduling, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. These tools can also analyze engagement data and optimize your posts to reach a broader audience, increasing your chances of monetization through sponsored posts, brand deals, or affiliate marketing. Digital product creation. If you prefer creating products that can be sold online, digital products are a fantastic option. Ebooks, online courses, design templates, stock photos, and audio files are all products that can be sold repeatedly with no inventory or shipping required. AI tools like Canva and Trello allow you to create stunning digital products such as ebook covers, social media posts, and printables, while tools like Teachable or Thinkific can help automate the creation and delivery of online courses. These digital products can then be sold on marketplaces like Etsy, Udemy, or Gumroad. Step 3. Automating content creation with AI tools. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to leverage AI to automate content creation. One of the most significant advantages of using AI for content creation is that it allows you to produce high-quality materials in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. For example, AI writing assistants can generate articles, blog posts, and even books in just minutes. All you need to do is provide a few prompts or keywords, and the AI will do the rest. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Reis use machine learning to understand the context of your input and generate natural, engaging text. This can be particularly useful for creating SEO-optimized blog posts or even social media content for your brand. With AI, you can create multiple pieces of content in a short amount of time, maximizing your potential for profit. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT are also useful for automating email campaigns, chatbots for customer service, and product descriptions. These tools allow you to engage with your audience on an ongoing basis without having to manually respond to every message or email. Step 4. Setting up automated systems for monetization. While content creation is crucial, the next step is to set up automated systems that will allow you to generate income without constantly being involved in the process. This includes monetizing your content and creating passive income streams. One of the easiest ways to monetize your content is through affiliate marketing. By embedding affiliate links within your blog posts, product reviews, or social media posts, you can earn commissions when people make purchases using your referral link. AI tools can help you optimize your affiliate marketing efforts by automating the process of content creation, keyword research, and SEO. Another great option is selling digital products. Once your digital product is created, you can set up an online shop on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad. AI tools can help automate the marketing of these products by running ads, creating promotional content, and sending out automated emails to potential buyers. Additionally, you can create a subscription-based model with AI tools by delivering content like exclusive videos, templates, or courses to your paying members. Step 5. Scaling your automated AI side hustle. Once you've automated the bulk of your side hustle and are consistently generating income, the next step is scaling. Scaling involves growing your business so it generates more revenue with minimal additional effort. AI is an essential tool for scaling because it allows you to increase your output without requiring more time or resources. To scale your business, start by automating as much as possible. For example, you can scale your content creation by using AI tools to generate more blog posts, videos, or social media posts without the need for constant input. AI tools like Jarvis can generate up to 5,000 words a day for blogs, articles, or product descriptions, which allows you to focus on strategy instead of spending hours writing content. You can also automate the process of outreach and guest posting, helping you build backlinks and increase your site's authority. Step 6. Tracking your success and making adjustments. Once you've set everything up and automated most of your systems, it's important to track your progress and make adjustments to ensure optimal performance. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, YouTube Analytics, and social media insights to monitor your traffic, sales, and engagement levels. This will give you an understanding of which strategies are working and which ones need to be adjusted. AI tools like Google Analytics can help you optimize your content by showing you which keywords, topics, and articles are driving the most traffic to your site. From there, you can refine your strategies, produce more of the content that resonates with your audience, and improve your monetization efforts. Finding the 100% automated AI side hustle that generates up to $13,000 per month is no longer a distant dream. With the power of AI tools, you can automate content creation, marketing, social media management, and more, while still earning significant income. By choosing a profitable niche, selecting the right AI tools, building passive income streams, and scaling your business, you can create a sustainable and lucrative side hustle with minimal effort. The key is to get started, automate as much as possible, and keep refining your approach for optimal results. With AI on your side, earning passive income is easier than ever before.